It starts as a vision of taste. But to feed a nation, it becomes a marvel of engineering. Welcome to the heart of American food production, a facility where precision meets massive scale. Hygiene is the religion here. Every technician must pass through a 3-stage biosecurity airlock.
Inside, a symphony of stainless steel and automation awaits. Welcome to the floor.
It begins with premium beef, arriving fresh, never frozen, at strictly controlled temperatures.
Every bin is tested. If it's above 38 degrees, it's rejected.
34 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. The cold chain is unbroken.
50 tons of high-protein wheat flour, pumped directly into the silos every morning.
The central nervous system, tracking flow rates, temperatures, and efficiency in real time.
We verify the lean-to-fat ratio. 80-20, not a percentage point less, not a point more. The verdict is digital. The perfect balance of flavor and fuel. Target achieved. The golden ratio of burger engineering.
We search for invisible threats, so you never have to worry.
Meanwhile, the flour undergoes a torture test. We stretch it to its breaking point. We test the gluten network.
The lab approves. The system unlocks. Systems go. It travels at 40 miles per hour. Destination, the mixer. The ingredients meet in the mixing bowl, 2,000 pounds at a time. It's a violent process, creating the perfect elastic structure. Done. Warm, elastic, and alive.
No weighing scales here. Pure volumetric displacement. Speed is king.
Row after row, identical twins, marching to the proofer. Welcome to the proofer, a tropical rainforest in a steel box. It's biology at work. The yeast breathes life into the dough.
Quick shower of water, then the signature crown, and finally the sesame seeds, approximately 300 per bun.
400 degrees Fahrenheit, direct fire. Entering the tunnel. This is where the chemistry happens.
The Maillard reaction. Sugars and proteins combine to create that signature golden crust. Golden brown. And smelling like heaven. Perfect equatorial cut. Every single time.
The crumb structure, tight enough to hold sauce, soft enough to melt in your mouth, a sponge for flavor. Structural integrity meets cloud-like softness.
A golden river, waiting for the main event. Leaving the warmth, entering the cold zone.
Temperature drops to 38 degrees. This is the cold zone. To keep bacteria at bay.
The grinder, a stainless steel beast with unparalleled torque. It can crush bone, but down the hatch. Let the grinding begin.
It doesn't slice, it crushes.
The first grind, coarse, rough,
developing the bite.
Smart filters detect density. Bone fragments are ejected instantly. Hard bits are rejected. Only pure meat makes the cut. If the mix is too lean, the computer adds fat. Too fatty, it adds lean. We don't use binders. We use physics. Protein extraction holds the burger together.
The Formax machine, a meat printing press running at high velocity. It doesn't cut, it molds, filling the plate and knocking it out 5 times a second.
Quarter pound, 4 inches wide, ½ inch thick. Geometry is flavor. Uniform thickness ensures uniform cooking.
40,000 patties an hour. An endless river of protein.
A red river.
To lock in freshness, we freeze time. Entering the IQF tunnel. Negative 40 degrees. The flash freeze begins.
Ice crystals don't have time to grow. The cell structure remains perfect.
Solid as a rock. Ready to travel the world. From the Arctic to the equator, the frozen patties enter the flame broiler. Instant thaw, instant sear, locking in the juices. Fat renders. Flames dance. The Maillard reaction in overdrive.
Grilled to perfection. No spatula required.
Only the perfect ones survive. The rest are rejected. Juicy, but not grease. It's a delicate balance.
Dense, creamy, and unmistakably orange.
Clean cuts. No friction. No waste.
A never-ending ribbon of cheddar, ready to melt.
Triple washed in ice-cold water. Crispness is king. A blizzard of green. Crisp, cold, and ready for the crunch.
The stage is set. All ingredients converge on the main assembly line. It starts with the foundation, the toasted heel.
5 dots of mustard, 1 shot of ketchup, calibrated to the milligram. The flavor foundation, never too dry, never too soggy.
Every bite gets a bit of crunch. The distribution is random, but even.
A handful of shredded iceberg.
One slice of processed cheddar. Cold.
Thermal shock. The melting begins immediately. The main event, 160 degrees of Angus beef.
Structure complete. The perfect stack.
A symphony of textures. Hot, cold, crisp, soft.
But it can't stay naked. It needs a thermal suit. Foil laminated paper. Keeps the hot side hot and the cold side cold. Mechanical origami. 4 folds in half a second. Wrap tight. No human hands involved.
100 units per minute. A continuous stream of calories. They slide down the chute, still hot to the touch.
The final guardian. The ferrous metal detector. If even a shaving of metal is found, the line stops instantly.
Grab, pull, fold, repeat. 60 times a minute.
Delta robots, the fastest pick-and-place system on Earth. They don't see burgers, they see coordinates, X, Y, and Z. Folded, filled, and sealed. Sealed for freshness. Ready for the freezer.
Palletizer, heavy lifting with mathematical precision. Interlocking layers, building a stable brick of product.
Tight. Waterproof. Indestructible. The deep freeze. A library of food holding millions of meals.
Order received. The system retrieves the exact batch. Bay 402, level 6. Retrieved in 30 seconds.
From the freezer to the reefer, the cold chain remains unbroken. The seal is tight. No warm air gets in. Dispatched. Destination nationwide. 18 wheels. 3,000 miles. One mission.
Through rain, sleet, and dark of night, the cold chain never breaks. While the world sleeps, breakfast is on its way.
The distribution hub, the crossroads of commerce. Scanned, sorted, routed, destination, aisle 4.
The final mile, from the factory floor to the freezer door. Arrived, frozen in time, waiting for you.
Selected. The choice is made. Out of the cold. Into the cart. Heading home.
The oils release. The cheese relaxes. The aroma returns.
Yields to the touch. Pillowy perfection.
Look at the cross-section. Every layer we engineered is right there. The crunch, the juice, the melt, all in harmony.
Production pauses only for purity. The sanitation shift begins. Bacteria has nowhere to hide.
The numbers are staggering. 3 million meals a week from a single facility. A masterpiece of logistics, feeding a nation.
Sensors watch the machines, but people watch the sensors. The human touch is never lost. It just evolved.
The arteries of commerce, pumping energy to the grid. Grain, dough, fire, ice, logistics, a million variables, one perfect outcome.
It's more than just calories. It's comfort. Simple, reliable, delicious. This is the Mega Factory. The line never stops. The fire never goes out.